Okay, so, there's an animal. So, basically, they're going to be hunting. I'm supposed to get a puffin tiger and a spruce monkey. I hear they live together. Well, not live together, but they habitat the same, so they're probably cousins. I don't know where they could be. Tigers. That monkey. That looks like a disfigured man. Monkey, want a banana? Fruit? Berries? No, look, I'm putting the gun down. Come. No, you come to me. How about we both go halfway?
Looks like Obesity Fat won't be making another video anymore. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just backing up. Don't mind me. No. Bad puffin tiger, do not follow me. Spruce monkey, don't shoot me with that gun. That would be very, very foolish of you. I'm calling the cops. Ah! Oh!